Today I'm talking about something no one ever wants to hear. Your insurance claim has been denied. If that's happened to you, probably frustrated, maybe even a little disappointed or overwhelmed. But here's the thing, a denial doesn't always mean the end of the road. In fact, you might have more options than you think. Insurance claims can be denied for a variety of reasons. The loss might not be covered under your policy. Your coverage may have lapsed. There could be missing documentation. The insurer may dispute the cause of loss, or you took too long to submit the claim or provide details to the adjuster. Some denials are valid, but others happen because of misunderstandings, errors, or narrow interpretation of your policy. And that's why understanding your coverage and its exclusions before you file a loss happens to be so important. It can save you from surprises and headaches later. And here's the thing, your insurance policy is a contract, and both you and the insurance company are bound by it. The best way to know what you're truly covered for and what you're not is to review the exclusion section of your insurance policy. Most policies are written with language that states that if the cause of loss is not on the exclusion section of your policy, the loss is covered. Some exclusions can be bought back with extra coverage like earthquake, water backup, actual cash value, and many others, while some exclusions like wear and tear and intentional acts can't. But you should be familiar with the exclusion section of your policy so you don't get caught off guard. And this is where having the right coverage for your specific needs comes in. Everyone's situation is different, and the coverage that works for your neighbor may leave gaps for you. If you choose a cheaper policy to save money, just know that you're taking on more risk and more likely to have to pay out of pocket or have your claim denied. Buying the right coverage up front is one of the best ways to protect yourself later. So if your claim does get denied, here's what to do. Read the denial letter carefully. Look for the reason and the exact policy language used and any appeal deadlines. Review your policy. Compare it with the denial letter. Sometimes the insurer's interpretation isn't the only one. Gather your evidence. Photos, repairs, estimates, receipts, police reports, anything that supports your claim. File your appeal in writing, include the denial letter, your policy, and your evidence clearly organized and explained. And as a last resort, seek legal advice. This is where your insurance broker is your best ally. We work for you and not any one insurance company. We can spot weaknesses in the insurer's reasoning, communicate directly with the claims department, escalate the matter if necessary, connect you with an independent appraiser, a public adjuster, or attorney who can help you strengthen your case. A denied claim isn't the end of the road, it's just the start of the next step. By knowing your policy, understanding its exclusions, buying the right coverage for your needs, gathering solid evidence, and involving your broker early, you can dramatically improve the chances of turning a no into a yes. If your claim has been denied, don't wait, don't fight it alone. Call your insurance broker, start working together to fight for the outcome that you think you deserve. Vargas & Vargas Insurance has been helping individuals and families and businesses for over 45 years to protect what matters the most to them, to make sure that you get the coverage that you've been paying for. You can reach our team various ways, all of which are in the description of this video. Remember, stay informed and stay properly protected. Thank you for watching.